Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a healing juice. Now this recipe harnesses the soothing properties of aloe vera, known for its ability to support digestive health, boost hydration, and promote overall well-being. So let's get started.
So diving right into this recipe, we're going to need 1 aloe leaf. This is one of the secret ingredients to the healing juice. And before that, we want to thoroughly wash our aloe leaf. And then you want to slice the leaf into sections across its width. And now when you slice into the aloe leaf, you will see a yellow substance. That is the latex or the aloin, which is very bitter and unpleasant to taste. So this can also be a stomach irritant, so you want to stand each of these slices upright after you cut it and allow the aloin to drain away, which should take about 10 minutes. And while that's draining, you want to take 1 large honeydew melon and first slice it in half, and you want to remove all the inner seeds, and then you want to coarsely chop that into smaller bits. Similarly for this healing juice, we're going to need 2 large limes. For now, all you have to do is slice them in half. At this point, 10 minutes should have passed, and now you can see that some of the aloe has drained from the aloe slices. And now using a sharp knife, you want to peel away the outer peel of the aloe leaves, leaving just the gel, which should be transparent and clear. And once you've done that for all your remaining pieces, you want to run them under cool running water, just to get rid of any leftover aloe. For this recipe, you're going to need a juicer. You can also do it with a blender, but it's much easier with a juicer. You want to add in your fresh aloe, and you want to follow it up with all of the honeydew melon. And then you're going to add in the limes as well, all into your juicer, and extract the juices from each of these into a large bowl or container. And then you want to pour this through a fine mesh sieve to ensure that none of the bits pass through and you have nothing but juice going into your healing juice. And now you want to add in 1 cup of coconut water, as well as 2 tablespoons of honey for some added sweetness. And you want to mix this thoroughly until it's all well combined. At this stage, the drink is ready. You can pour it into your container of choice. This makes at least 10 large servings of the healing juice, something that's great for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And just like that, you've made 1 healthy drink right at home. For an extra boost of flavor and nutrients, you can always consider adding a splash of fresh lemon juice or a handful of berries to the healing aloe juice as well. Also, if you want, you can substitute the aloe leaf for aloe juice you can buy from some specialty grocery stores. It won't have as many nutrients, but it's still 1 great healthy option. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this drink. And if you did, make sure you stir in a like button for me. That's one of the best ways to help the channel out. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button too. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends.
And stay tuned for next week where I show you a great recipe for these colder winter months, my beef stew. Packed with flavor, and it practically makes itself. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.